The natural light phenomenon known as the northern lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis, can be seen in the polar regions of the Earth. Although they can occasionally be observed at lower latitudes, they are most frequently observed in high-latitude regions close to the Arctic Circle. Aurora Borealis are brought about by communications between the world's attractive field and charged particles from the Sun. The procedure works as follows. Solar wind. The solar wind is a stream of charged particles that the Sun constantly releases. Space is traversed by these particles, primarily electrons and protons. The magnetic field of Earth. The Earth's own attractive field stretches out into space. The movement of molten iron in the planet's outer core creates this magnetic field. Magnetosphere. Charged particles from the Sun are deflected and directed toward the polar regions when they come into contact with the Earth's magnetic field. The magnetosphere is the area of space around the Earth where the solar wind and magnetic field interact. Crash with environment. Charged particles from the solar wind collide with atoms and molecules, primarily oxygen and nitrogen, as they enter Earth's atmosphere. The atoms and molecules are excited by these collisions, releasing energy in the form of light. Light output. Excessive energy is released as light as the excited atoms and molecules eventually return to their normal state. The stunning patterns and colors that make up the northern lights are caused by this light emission. The northern lights are usually green, but they can also be red, yellow, blue, or purple in some cases. The specific colors are determined by the collision's altitude and the kind of gas that is involved. Solar activity, geomagnetic storms, and the weather in the area all play a role in the northern lights' intensity and visibility. In areas close to the magnetic poles, they are most often seen on clear, dark nights in the winter. People have been captivated by the breathtaking natural phenomenon known as the northern lights for centuries. Numerous explorers dared to the icy locales explicitly to observe this staggering presentation of lights moving across the night sky.